Algorand cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $0.2093 a coin in an exceptionally significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, 0.2064, 0.2141, which basically is very critical. The earlier day close, 0.2129 in a genuinely enormous way. The change especially was 0.0036, 1.69%. Which explicitly is very huge. Reverse rate, United States dollars to algo, in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $0.22, all things considered, most extreme 0.24 in every practical sense. Least 0.20 in a very significant way. Algorand figure on Thursday, walk 16, cost $0.24, truly most extreme 0.26, truly least 0.22 in a significant way. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, cost $0.24, most extreme 0.26, truly least 0.22 incredibly. Algorand figure on Monday, walk 20, cost $0.24. Genuinely most extreme 0.26, exceptionally least 0.22 in an especially large way. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $0.23, by and large most extreme 0.25 in every way that really matters, least 0.21 in an exceptionally significant way. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $0.21 in every practical sense. Most extreme 0.22, least 0.20. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, walk 23, cost $0.20, genuinely most extreme 0.21, sort of least 0.19 in an exceptionally huge manner. Algorand estimate on Friday, walk 24, cost $0.20, really greatest 0.21, essentially least 0.19, or so they in every practical sense thought. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, walk 27, cost $0.20, certainly greatest 0.21, genuinely least 0.19, which for the most part is very critical. In about 14 days Algorand figure on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $0.19, most extreme 0.20, truly least 0.18, which really is very huge. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $0.18, sort of most extreme 0.19, sort of least 0.17, or so they especially thought. Algorand figure on Thursday, walk 30, cost $0.17, lovely greatest 0.18, least 0.16, which especially is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, walk 31, cost $0.17, lovely greatest 0.18. Extremely least 0.16 in a significant way. Algorand figure on Monday, April 3, cost $0.16, sort of most extreme 0.17, by and large least 0.15, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.16, fundamentally greatest 0.17, for the most part least 0.15, which in a real sense is very critical. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, April 5, cost $0.16, kind of most extreme 0.17, in every way that really matters, least 0.15 in an unpretentious way. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost $0.16, sort of greatest 0.17, really least 0.15, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand figure on Friday, April 7, cost $0.15, most certainly greatest 0.16, genuinely least 0.14, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $0.15, certainly greatest 0.16, all things considered, least 0.14, which certainly is very huge. In about a month Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.15, certainly greatest 0.16, for the most part least 0.14, or so they truly thought. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12. Cost $0.15, beautiful most extreme 0.16, especially least 0.14, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.16, fundamentally most extreme 0.17, lovely least 0.15, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to algo swapping scale really equivalent to 4.7778 coins per $1. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Today's reach, 4.6707 which for the most part is genuinely huge. The past day's nearby, 4.6970 in an unpretentious way. Change for now plus 0.0808, plus 1.72%. Extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to algo cost figure 4, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they for the most part thought. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 4.545 coins, by and large most extreme 5.000, truly least 4.167, which truly is very critical. United States dollars to algo forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost 4.167 coins, really most extreme 4.545, kind of least 3.846 in an especially huge manner. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Friday, walk 17, cost 4.167 coins, beautiful most extreme 4.545, certainly least 3.846 in an especially huge way. United States dollars to algo expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost 4.167 coins, greatest 4.545, genuinely least 3.846, which generally is very huge. In multi-week dollar to Algorand gauge on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 4.348 coins, extremely greatest 4.762, by and large least 4.000. United States dollars to algo forecast on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 4.762 coins, extremely greatest 5.000, truly least 4.545 in a truly significant way. Dollar to Algorand figure on Thursday, walk 23, cost 5.000 coins, genuinely most extreme 5.263, really least 4.762, or so they basically thought. United States dollars to algo expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost 5.000 coins, for the most part greatest 5.263, genuinely least 4.762, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Monday, walk 27, cost 5.000 coins, lovely most extreme 5.263, least 4.762, in an all things considered, significant way. In about 14 days United States dollars to algo forecast on Tuesday, walk 28, cost 5.263 coins, kind of greatest 5.556, really least 5.000, showing how Algorand cost expectation on